perform the indicated operations and, if possible, simplify. The square root of 27 plus 2 square roots of 12. The first thing we'll do is simplify each of the square roots. So this we can rewrite as the square root of 27 is the square root of 9 times 3, plus 2 times the square root of 12 we can rewrite as the square root of 4 times 3. Then the square root of 9 is 3, so we have 3 square roots of 3, plus the square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2 times 2 times the square root of 3. Well, now we see the radicands are the same, so we can combine the coefficients. 2 times 2 is 4, so we have 3 plus 4 times the square root of 3, and that's equal to 7 square roots of 3.